What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing and review of some dope clippers that I just copped on Monday. When I went down to Fort Worth for Sean Cuts Hair's Look and Learn that he hosted down there at a district barbershop. If you haven't checked out that video, I'll leave a link up in the description. You can check that out. But it was a huge blessing to be able to run into these clippers because they're sold out like all over the internet. It's all these like little barber supply places here and there that do have a few pairs and stuff. So the place I went to, it was a district barbershop, also Fort Worth Barber Supply is what they're known by. So they had two more of these clippers left, and these are the JRLs, the Fresh Fade 2020Cs. I have yet to use them, and that was very difficult for me. I just wanted to make sure I got this video, as organic as possible. Haven't unboxed it, haven't used them, haven't zero gapped them. So I will be doing all that today so I can, give you guys a little bit of clips of what they cut like. But like I said, it was hard not to use them. I got them on Monday, it is now Wednesday. But without further ado, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. I will be doing a 245 Power Mat giveaway at 2K. We are at 1666 today. So, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. But let's get to this unboxing.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
All right, before we dive into the box, I'm gonna go ahead and read you guys what it says on the box. As you can see here, so it says Cool Blade technology, lithium-ion battery, 4-hour runtime, 3-hour charge time, advanced lever locking feature, maintains lever secure for extended use. So that's just your lever lock. So when you feel that click on your lever, that is a lever locking feature. Also has high grade stainless steel stationary blade and titanium moving blade. Max 7,200 revolutions per minute. So with the 7,200 revolutions per minute, I did watch a couple reviews on this, and it does have two speed modes that you can fluctuate through. Pointed smart clip technology featuring constant speed motor, won't drag or stall. LED display indicates remaining battery time, low noise, and 4 hours of battery life. And then you just have all your specifications on the bottom area here. But from the looks of it, I really like the packaging. It's very professional. A lot of times nowadays, these clipper releases are like sneaker releases. If you're a sneakerhead, you understand how exclusive a lot of pairs are. And that's what the barber industry kind of lean a lot towards. And it's pretty cool, the exclusiveness of all these clippers and stuff like that. It makes there to be a higher demand for a lot of these clippers that come out. So that's something that's pretty dope. Me being a sneakerhead, it's pretty cool to see that type of culture, flow off into the barber industry. But let's get this box open. So it has a little slip box that comes out, and then got the JRL in the bottom, and then we open that up there. There's your clipper right there. Kind of looks like the bevel trimmer body. It has some, a lot of slight differences. It has a matte finish, and then a glossy finish at the bottom. So I'm going to pull these out. Before I get to the clipper, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox everything that is inside already, and then we'll get to the clipper. So just little details. It's got a little hole right here, so you could just pull this out. Little things like that. It makes a difference with your packaging, and makes it easy for the consumer to get everything out. But inside the clipper box, we got guards. We got an 8 guard. 7 guard, your 5 guard, 6 guard. So I'm presuming that we have all of the guards down to the 4, 1, all the way down to your half guard. So the box, it comes with the half guard through the 8 guard. So the next thing we have inside the box is going to be your charging cord. So crucial to have. And then we have our, so in this little bag, we got a tool to zero gap your clippers. I believe that's what that is. And then also got a little screwdriver. You have your oil, and then you also have a little brush, which I don't really use these to ever clean the clippers or anything like that. I actually use another brush, but these little brushes that come with the clippers are crucial tools for like color enhancement or Beijing or stuff like that. So I highly suggest you use these little brushes for that. If you do use color enhancement, they are nifty for that reason. And then last but not least, you have your actual user manual, but that is everything inside the contents of the box. So we'll go ahead and get to the clipper and let you guys see that. Now for this clipper, I've heard nothing but good things about it. I watched a review by Jayblends, which is one of the most detailed reviews on the clipper. And I'll go ahead and give you guys my opinion on what I think about this clipper. But you can see here's the JRL. I'm gonna go ahead and take the blade cover off, and we'll go ahead and turn it on. Let you guys hear what it sounds like. So, clipper is on. Let me see. And you can see right here at the JRL LED comes on, as well as you can see your 4-hour runtime right here. And they're very quiet, very, very quiet clipper. So this is the high RPM, and this is the low RPM. But something that I really like about this this clipper is that it's very powerful. You can feel the power when you turn it on. And also, I love the weight of the clipper. And the shape of the clipper is very ergonomic. You got a little indentation right here to where you can put your finger, use it that way. You have your lever, like I said, it's you can hear the lever locks, and that is the blade closed, and that's right out the box. It's not, not really close at all, and that's how far the blade extends. So, and that is the blade right there. There's a side view, side profile. Get that. So I'm very impressed with how it looks, the presentation of the box and the packaging, the clipper overall. I'm very glad that I could get this added to the arsenal, but I will include some clips on how it performs, and we'll get to that right now. What's good, everybody? So this is the demonstration portion of this video. Before I actually faded up this side of the head, I did zero gap these clippers. So I'm making my bald line right now, and we're just gonna follow up the same steps as we usually do with any fade or taper that I do. I'm gonna open up the lever and then knock out some lever play, and just opening and closing the lever till we get that panel of hair completely faded out. But I gotta say that I am thoroughly impressed with these clippers. They knock out bulk easily. They fade, like great. I got a super blurry fade with a lot of ease. It wasn't difficult, not a lot of steps that I had to do, just follow my normal processes, and things just kind of they just came together naturally. It just flowed. So a lot of times, people hype up clippers, in my opinion, and I've tried clippers that I wasn't too fond of that people hyped up. So for me, I always got to try things out before I actually have a full thought out opinion about it, or before I could bash it or talk any bit negatively about it. But I gotta say, with these JRL clippers, I cannot say anything negative about them. They are some great clippers. So if you are debating on whether or not to get them, I would say cop a pair. I highly suggest you get them. They use the wall guards as well. You can interchange the blade with a babbler's blade, with a wall blade. So go check these out. Cop a pair if you can. I know they're doing pre-orders on the website right now, I believe. And if you can find a pair at a little barber supply or something, snatch these up, because these are some workhorses. These are some hitters. Excuse me. I did use these all day in the shop. I had everybody in the shop use them as well, and they were thoroughly impressed with these clippers. My boss bought a pair before the day was over. So that just goes to show you what type of quality that these clippers have. So I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration portion of this video, but I'm not going to say too much. I'm gonna let the beat ride out for the rest of the duration of the video, and then we'll close it out.
Hey, 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 hey
Well, you've seen the unboxing, you've seen how the clipper performs, you've seen my overall opinion and review about it. You've seen the contents of what comes in the box. So I truly appreciate everybody who stuck this far in the video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, liking the videos, sharing it, commenting. It all shows YouTube, you know, that the content is being useful, and it just helps the algorithm of the channel, helps the growth of the channel. And I truly appreciate everybody who has been supporting the channel, always showing love. Like I said, if you haven't seen my last video, the Sean Cuts Hair Look and Learn, check that video out. Go check out some of my other videos. Share the content with a friend or, you know, relative, colleague, whatever, what have you. I'm pushing out barber content as much as I can. So we're gonna get to some tutorials using these and see how they stand the test of time. But that'll do it for today's video. And don't forget, I will be doing a 2K 245 Power Man giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Share the channel. Let's get to 2K. Let's get to the next milestone. But until next time, God bless.